Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. If you want to see how I got these rope twists on these short dreadlocks, then stay tuned, I have you covered. So the first thing you want to do is just hydrate the hair with some water like I'm doing right here. Since his locks are so small, I'm combining 2 locks on each side with a total of 4 locks, and that is what I will be working with. And then you just want to grab your shine and jam, and you just want to place it on the part and smooth it into the hair. So the first 2 locks, you want to grab them and you want to start twisting to the right. And then once that's done, you can just clamp that off, and you just want to work on the other 2 locks and start twisting to the right. After doing that, you want to start twisting to the left to create that rope twist effect. Okay, now you just want to repeat the process, and if you like it in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so you just want to continue rope twisting throughout his head, and I will definitely show you what to do next after you completed the rope twist. I'll also be showing you how his hair look once he takes the rope twist down, because he like that crinkled look as well. I'll be showing you some pictures at the end as well. So I had him shake his hair just to see the flexibility in his hair and the body. So this is the finished look of the rope twist. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great, blessed day.